Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lexi Hair YouTube channel. I'm Sari.
And I'm Sylvia. And today we're going to be testing out viral hairstyling tools that we found on Amazon.
I'm so excited for this. Are you ready?
I'm so ready. Let's go.
What is it? What is it?
Oh, cover your grays. Dark brown. Okay.
Is that like, it looks like lipstick.
It does.
Apply directly to the area where you need to touch up. Blends beautifully with existing hair, won't matte or clump.
Oh. It's like more reddish than I thought it would be.
Oh, it's dark. Okay.
It's like,
You wanna go?
I mean, can I put this on my lips instead?
Here. Okay, I'll hold for you. Let's see. This is maybe
working?
also, you know what this would be good for? I can't tell.
Is this working?
Yeah, maybe push a little.
Am I just like literally coloring my scalp right now? Like what's going on?
Is it waxy?
It's like waxy, so it's, wait, look.
Oh, see there, you gotta push harder.
Yeah, you gotta really get in there.
You see, but now you gotta blend it.
Oh.
When you're doing like a certain hairstyle and then you have a lot of like your scalp showing,
Yeah.
that could be what maybe it's good for.
I mean, maybe like people who are losing their hair a little bit can use it to make your...
Yeah, like maybe cover up some
color.
like bald spots. Or make like almost
men.
like that spray. You remember the spray?
Yes, this should be for men.
Yeah.
We'll have to give our rating of the color gray hair stick, and we give it a thumbs down.
Let's go. What's next?
This is like the 12 Days of Christmas.
It is.
Whoa.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
Like, hello. I definitely
okay.
need to put this on.
This
because
feels like something straight out of like 1950.
it's a bonnet dryer attachment. I'm sorry. Where are you from? Are you from space?
I just want to know where we found this.
From the 60s.
Easy to use, lightweight, convenient for travel. That doesn't look convenient for travel
Well,
for me.
I mean, it is until you blow it with air.
Great
right?
for styling and setting with rods and rollers.
So you have to put rollers
You
in
have
your
to
hair
put
and then
rollers
put
in
that on
first?
and then put the dryer, I guess the hot air to come in and like heat it.
Let's Sherlock Holmes this sucker. Okay.
There are instructions, I
There
assume.
are no, I don't think so.
No? Did you like our purchase? We can't even figure it out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
That looks like
Feel like
a
I'm
winter
about to-
hat or a scarf.
This would be a perfect winter hood for my daughter.
I mean,
It's pink. She'd love it.
this-
I don't understand how this goes on. Does this go? Hold on. Okay. Wait. Okay.
Hello?
Wait. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh. I mean, I'm sure this is not what we're supposed to do. I'm like about to blow hot air.
No, wait. There's. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Aren't there no instructions?
Okay.
Yeah, oh, okay. This needs to attach to a hairdryer.
Okay.
This, we got this. We got this. Does
Should
this even-
my hair maybe? Should I stick my hair up inside?
I think that's the point, right?
That's what she said.
I think we need to find something. It won't even go on the. It doesn't even fit. The dryer's too big.
How do I look? I think we're gonna have to give this one a major thumbs down.
Here we go. Here we go.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh, it's a big one.
It's like Christmas.
What is
It's called Dodo. I like the name already.
It's a questionable name.
Yeah, hair
Okay.
curling iron.
It's a hair curling iron.
It's a magic wand with a glove.
But does it come with different? There's like 10 different heads.
Whoa. Oh, okay. So that was not the head that I was expecting.
Not what I was expecting, but
Questionable.
questionable.
But
And a glove.
We get the
which
glove.
is important.
The magic glove.
The magic glove, which is really just like a winter glove, let's be honest. It could use like a little bit of like the silicone on the fingertips or something, but okay. I think the purpose of the grooves is that that's where your hair is supposed to like groove into. So it's like a wave.
Okay.
I don't think I did that so well, but turn this,
Yeah.
turn. There you go, girl.
See,
Okay,
it's
and
hard
then-
holding the mirror. Oh.
Okay, I probably messed that one up a little bit, but let's try that again because like it definitely is hot. My hair needs like good heat to hold. It definitely feels like it gets really hot, which I think is really important for an iron. So let's just like drop.
Wow.
Oh, that's nice. It's like a soft beachy wave.
I am obsessed with this.
That's nice. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Don't burn me.
This is like a good trust exercise.
It really is.
Okay.
I trust you fully.
There you go. Curled right back up.
Whoa.
But it's nice. It's like, it's not the kind of curl that you get from a curling iron that feels really full. And it's also not like a flat iron wave either. It's just like a nice beachy wave. It looks questionable, but I like the results.
I do too. Honestly, you held that for 2 seconds in my hair and it really...
it definitely heats up really well. I'm impressed with that.
I give it a thumbs up.
Me too. All right, we're ready for more.
What's it gonna be? Ooh. I think
Oh, it's like a clamped brush.
Yeah, but I think it heats up. No.
No, there's no plug. Would you dry it while doing
You
it
need
so
a
that
blow
this
dryer.
is getting hot?
Yeah.
And then you're...
Ding, ding, ding. You need a blow dryer.
dryer.
Oh, look at that.
The YouTube
We're well
gods have given
prepared.
us a blow dryer. Perfect. Okay, how does it open?
This is the thing. I'm like trying to figure out how to open this thing.
Maybe just pull it?
I feel like I'm gonna break it. Oh.
Okay.
All right. So my hair is already kind of wavy, so this would be great. Maybe just straighten it. Just try it out. Okay. Here we go.
And you gotta get closer in there. There you go.
Oh yeah. Oh, I can't see anything in that mirror though. Up, up, up. Up, 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 up. I can't see. Hold on, hold it here. There. Look, it's already straightening my hair. Holy. This is actually really nice. It's like the bristles are the
And your
coarse-
hair's smooth.
Yeah. Guys, I'm kind of really loving
That
this
looks really
product.
nice.
Look at this. Smooth, no static. I mean, you have to go over it a couple times, but also my hair was curly, so
I was quick to naysay this one, but now I'm on board.
I am on board 100%.
So what's our rating of this one? I think we're both pretty aligned. 2
Thumbs
thumbs up.
Ooh.
Oh, I've been wanting this.
Yes. So like this, but like with heat.
This
is
with
what you had.
heat, but like that's for straightening.
And this
that's
is
what
for
I had.
curls.
And then this is for like volume.
Volume. You know
Yeah.
what? This is what I need. Look how flat my hair is right now.
But I like that like it's not fully circle. It like so you can do sort of you could go flat, but then you can give
You
it
can
that
also
like
give
bump
it-
up.
I need the bump up, folks.
Bump up.
Give me the bump.
Plug her in.
Okay.
All right.
Wow.
Ooh. Oh, that gets hot fast.
It does, but it also has that like new product smell, like that plastic burning smell.
Yeah.
Wait, let's go from the root. Oh, that's hot. Oh, I'm kind of loving this.
Look how smooth that is.
I need this product. Okay, this is also like 5 days of drag shampoo. I'm not even lying.
It's totally
What
like
if I
a
just do-
Wait, what are you doing?
I don't know. I'm just trying to get some volume. Is this not how you do it? I'm not a hairstylist.
I'm pretty sure that's not how you get volume.
Whoa, that's loud. Okay, there's one thing I need to say. I feel like I was screaming the whole time. I almost lost my voice again. That is way too loud for a hair product. So.
Okay, that is loud for a low setting. I feel like what I want to do with this is go in and get like that like pink out
Oh,
of it.
she's gonna do the curl. Okay, do it.
I'm a professional.
Wow.
It's definitely easy to use. I'm into this. I would buy this.
I would totally buy this.
I would totally buy this like right now. Can I have this one? Thumbs up.
Final one.
What
the?
is that?
It's a lamp without a lampshade or a lamp.
This is a
bulb.
hair product?
You know what this is? This must be like a rack to hold.
Yes, this is a
The hair-
section that I think this suctions to either like you could to the wall or to the
Yes.
table, and then you put your hair
You know what? You
dryer
can
in
put-
here so that you don't. Then you have your hand.
Wait.
Right. I think it's just for those uncoordinated people, like possibly ourselves, that allow you to put the hair dryer up and then you can use your styling tool with your free hands. I am no engineer, but I think I have figured out how this works. So we suctioned this to the window, which actually is a surprise. It has a pretty like heavy duty suction. Like it took a lot of like arm power to push that thing down.
You know what? I think this would be good on a very cold day when you just want to get warmed up a little bit. You just turn on the hair dryer.
Oh,
Beyonce for a photo shoot.
Oh, that's good.
Like, yes, get that photo shoot hairstyle.
Oh, but like this work now you have your hands free.
Okay.
Right, so now just
You
like
know
blow
what?
dry your hair.
Yeah,
Grab a
like
piece of
even if you
hair,
just want to like
air dry.
get that hair dried real quick. You know?
I would have this in my bathroom if it was like a nice rose gold or like brushed chrome.
Okay, legit though, I think this is best used for photo shoots. So we need to give that thing a name. Because
Yeah.
I don't think it came with a name. I'm sure it has a name.
Blow
but
dry assistant.
hand.
Blow dryer.
Ooh, hands-free blow dryer.
You're really into it.
I'm into it for the photo shoot aspect.
I think it's smart. I just think it needs to be pretty because it's not. Thumb up, thumb down.
Like a
Like
Here.
a half C.
like a neutral.
Hmm.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you had just as much fun as we did.
Yeah, that was a blast. I still have tears rolling down my eyes from some of them for sure.
Which one was your favorite?
I definitely think the blow dryer with like the built-in round brush.
The one that we're fighting
oval
for.
brush, the one that I'm stealing. Yeah,
Yeah,
that one.
I also loved that beaded magic wand, just how quick it curled your hair. It was magical. Let us know down below which was your favorite and which one you want to try. We'll link them all down here.
And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you guys soon.